All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic as always. In today's video, what we're going to be doing, holy smokes, we're glitching out here. That's what we're doing. We have a brand new portfolio right here, the Honorable Investing Fund portfolio. And what we're going to do is we're going to see how little money we really need to earn $1,000 in our investments and $1,000 in monthly dividend income. Now I have a new stock on this kind of list here, which is MVRL. It pays a 20% monthly dividend, which I'm going to show you guys in this video, as well as I have the traditional KLIP and the traditional TSLY, which I just inversed here. Holy smokes. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to add these stocks to the portfolio. We're going to see how little money we really need to earn $1,000. And I'm going to show you a little bit about this new stock, a 20% paying dividend stock. So if that sounds good, please do stick around in this video. What we're going to do here is, as you can see, we have 1,853 subscribers. I don't know why my screen is so wide here, but as you can tell, we are a growing page, just surpassed that 1,850 subscriber milestone. We're doing absolutely fantastic, guys. I can't ask for anything more than you guys. You guys are awesome. Just stick around in the channel and be yourselves, and I am more than happy. So if that sounds good, what we're going to do in this video is let's take TSLY, for example. How many shares of TSLY do we need in order to earn $1,000 in dividends every single month? So taking TSLY's current share price. And so as you can tell, so TSLY has actually been on a pretty decent sized downtrend over the past little while, going down from $18.30 all the way down to $14.77, 75 cents, somewhere about there. But this could create potentially a great buying opportunity in TSLY. And for those of you that don't know, TSLY is the YieldMax option income strategy ETF, as it's posted here on YieldMax's website. They're for income. They generate monthly income by writing and selling call options on Tesla, but they don't own any Tesla, any of the underlying stock. They write synthetic call options. So getting into this right here, what if we had 1,000 shares of TSLY right here? Now their dividend does fluctuate quite a bit, and so 1 month you might need a little bit more, and as you can see, only $830 will be generated in August from a $14,750 investment. Now, adding a little bit more to this holding, we're going to go into TSLY right here. Why don't we add in another 150 shares? Let's see if this is going to be enough. I'm just going through it with you guys. I hope you guys do enjoy these videos. Look at that. We need a couple more shares here. So I'm just going to go back here. What we can do is we can do this for each of them, and we can also diversify within, so we can add some TSLY, KLIP, and MVRL, so we're not all investing in the exact same stocks. So looking back here, this should be more than enough, and we are almost at that 1,000. We're gonna say we're at that $1,000 a month mark. We don't really need to go too crazy. So if you have $17,700 or let's say $18,000, you'll have enough to make $1,000 a month from TSLY alone. Now looking at your payout calendar right here, that's roughly 1,200 shares, and that'll all be received on August 14th and about the 14th of every single month. So knowing this, we only need $17,000. We'll say $18,000 invested in TSLY in order to generate that $1,000 every single month. Now jumping to our next stock, which is KLIP, which is the Kraneshares China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF. They write covered calls on KWeb, which tracks the Chinese internet sector, as it says right here, KWeb. And so they write call options on KWeb. And yeah, they are a covered call ETF and generate monthly premiums through those calls. And KLIP is also approaching an attractive buy. As you can see from this price chart, it looks like it's just straight down, which it is for the most part. But it's kind of flattening out. And KWeb, one amazing thing about KWeb is actually, I'm going to bring it up right here, is that KLIP actually hasn't depreciated as much as KWeb. KWeb is a very volatile sector, as you'll see here. So KLIP may be depreciated about maybe 5 to 15%, but as you can see here, in the past month or so, KWeb has depreciated quite a bit, down from about $32 to roughly $28.50, $29. So a pretty decent sized drop right there, and KLIP totally preys on that volatility. So now for the fun part, what we're going to do is we're going to take KLIP, CLIP, and we are going to buy, let's say 1,500 shares. Let's go crazy here. Now with 1,500 shares of KLIP, let's see what that gets us. So 27,000, but we are way over that 1,000 goal of monthly income. So you can see we're at $1,248. Now we could really reduce this position if I'm being honest. Let's say maybe down to $1,250. And let's see what that would put our monthly income at. So relatively close to 1,000. So TSLY will need about 18,000 and KLIP will need about 23,000 in order to reach our $1,000 monthly income goal. Now that's pretty cool. Those are some pretty insane dividends for just only about 20,000 invested in each. Now going to our new stock, which is MVRL. For those of you that don't know, MVRL pays a 20% dividend. It pays on the monthly. And just going here, what I want to do is take a quick little sip of water right there. So MVRL is an ETRACS monthly paying 1.5 times Leveraged Mortgage REIT ETN. So it is an ETN and it's listed under USB, which is the underlying like holder. And what MVRL does is it tracks, I'm going all over the place here. It tracks the US Mortgage REIT Index. And for those of you that don't know, the MVIS US Mortgage REIT Index tracks the performance of the largest and more liquid companies in the US mortgage REIT industry. Now, looking at the components, you might see some similar mortgage REITs that you've actually invested in, such as AGNC right here, Investment Corp. We also have Arbor Realty here, and there might be a couple more in here. Ellington Financial Inc. is another one, and Orchid Islands Capital. As you can see, even Ares Capital is down here, but as you can see, they're mainly comprised of a bunch of REITs that you'd find in the US Mortgage Index. They're all going to be US companies, and yeah, that's basically it. If you believe like REITs in the future are going to do well, you're probably going to want to invest in MVRL because they are a 1.5 times leverage fund, meaning that whatever the REIT industry does, the REIT index does, MVRL is going to do 1.5 times that and pay you a dividend at the same time. Now, their previous distribution was significantly less than their second previous distribution. And as you can tell, they're very all over the place. It looks like they pay about one massive distribution. They go down for a bit, pay another massive distribution, go down for a couple, pay another massive distribution. So on that third quarter, they look to pay those big dividends. So now, just taking out our KLIP position right here, what I want to do is show you MVRL. This is a 20% dividend paying stock and MVRL. And what we're going to do here is let's put in 2,500 shares just because the dividend is so much significantly less than the others. And as you can see, okay, this is going off the most previous dividend. So we're probably going to need a lot more MVRL. Let's see what we got here. It's not going to like this one, so we got to update this position in here. But MVRL is subject to a lot of change in their dividends, so it makes sense. Let's get 750. Let's see if this is going to be enough. But this is a lot of shares. Keep that in mind too. So 145,000 to make $1,000 a month. This would definitely double or triple when it pays these massive dividends. It's probably going off this last one. That's why it's so low. But as you can tell, plays like KLIP, plays like TSLY, and also plays like KLIP can provide so much monthly income for you, investing about 17,000, 18,000, and then 23,000 in order to receive $1,000 every single month. So that is how you can receive $1,000 every month with a little. Obviously, 20 grand is still a big investment sum, but it's a lot less than you need in other companies. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video and it opened your eyes to some possibilities and solutions for earning $1,000 every single month. I just want to say, if you did enjoy, please do subscribe. Up to 1,853 subscribers, so please don't hesitate. I want to say thank you for sticking along and enjoying this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.